Yo, what's good? So I'm gonna go over my trades real quick, just so I can get an idea of what just so I could get an idea of what I was going through, seeing, and all that. So I took my trade. First off, I had this level marked off the 5,280 because I was looking at the price go up, and this was a level. I think that 5,280. It was a previous. It had something to do with this, I think. 280. Let me see. Oh yeah, what was this right here? I think. Yeah, I marked this off. Yeah, I think I saw this. I saw this level, and I marked it off right here. I saw it wanted to come back up, test. So I knew it was close, so I just figured I'm gonna just mark it and then wait for there. So I was taking demo trades all throughout the morning, just fucking around, But um, I actually locked in, and then it went pretty good. So let me just show you what I did, the trades that I took. So I took this trade here. I saw this tap the EMA come up, not do anything here. So I knew this was still gonna be willing to go up because, um, as you see, here, um, I saw it was gonna shoot up still. Let me see. So once it did go up, 5 to 86. 5 to 86. Yeah, once it shot up here, I was like, okay, let me see what's happening. Um, the first trade was at 10, 11. 10, 11. Yeah. Oh no, 10, 12. 10, 11, like 57. So 10, 12. So it got me in at 2, 8. Or no, it got me in at 52805. Let's see. I had my risk uh actually on here. Oh shit, hold on. I had my risk here at this level. I had the 52805, and then I targeted, I think it was, hold on, let me double check. Mm, 528, hold up. I'll be back. Targeted 5298. 5298. 52980. All right. I targeted here. It got me out. I think over here. Let me see. My bad. It's all fucking. Should have had these numbers already brought up. 1016. So 1016. Yeah, it got me out around here. Wicked up. That wick got me. Boom. Wicked up. And my risk was low because I moved my take profit up. I think. Yeah. So if you see this, let me see, 10. I don't know. I didn't get in here. Got in 10, 11. So I think I got in here. Yeah, here to 5, and then 9, 8, 9, 8, right there. That's what I got. Oh, hold on. Let me move this over. Yep. Right there. 98. Right there. Okay. So I had my stop at this level because I figured if it's gonna go down, it's gonna just fucking go down. So it might have been a little lower. Yeah, I think it was a little lower. Might have put it there. It was a 2.6. Yeah, it's right there. I don't think this wick didn't get me out because it just kept going, bro. See, it's weird, but this was the play. As it wicked down. Let me show you real quick. Mm. So I was seeing this. I was gonna at least touch this or tap this. So it was closing above the EMA pretty good. As it broke it had a little struggle, broke down again, and this is where I saw. I was like, okay, if they come in, then cool, because it was ranging the market. See, it was like ranging, so it was like accumulation or whatever that's called, but it was getting people in, kind of getting, excuse me, it's getting people like indecisive. See, it's actually still around that area, and then it just dips down. But so I saw that it was going up, down. What goes up after? It goes up after. So I figured it was gonna go up, and it did, and it got me. It got me right here. 10, 16, 11, right there. So these are the candles I was watching. It came up. It it didn't keep going. Buyers started stepping in, so price started shooting back up. Buyers stepped in. I had a limit order. I had a limit order down here, but I saw it didn't hit it, so I was like, "Oh, nice." So I moved it up to get in right there. Boom, and then it just. I actually had my stop loss way tighter, but I moved it to there, and um, I saw as it went up. Buyers stepped in here. Boom, that was nice. And then this, it was just ranging in here. It didn't get me out here. That's so weird, but uh, it might have. Yeah, no, I don't know, whatever. But it got me in there. Went up. I was seeing it just not be. Get the this is the delta divergent candle. I could have got in here. Boom. You know. Same thing here. Look. Wow, this was actually just a strong candle. Came up. Let's see. So yeah, my next play. Let's see. So the next play was there around 520. Let me see. Pull it up. 1025. So 1025. It was kind of the same thing, right? Same fucking play. I'll show you right now. 1025. 1025, 31. 1025, 31. So I got in around here. Ooh. All right. So this one, I was a little bit more scared. I put my stop a little lower. Uh, let me hold on. Let me set the levels up real quick just so I can get a visual representation. So the exit price 5,300. I wasn't too sure if it was gonna go up, so I figured just to play it safe, I just went in for one contract because I wasn't too sure if it was just gonna rinse and repeat. It was nice. It was nice. So I got in at 5,285.75. 5,285. Wait, what? Oh no, yeah, 5,285.75. 5,285.75. Right there. I got in at 725.31. 725.31. So around here, and this candle had my stops below that, right below that, and then my target price was there at uh 28.15, 28.15, 28.15. Yeah. Okay, yeah. I remember. I saw it go up as it was coming down. I fucking panicked and I got out. So boom. All right. Let's see. The first was a 2-6 trade, 2-6 R trade, and this was a 2.48 trade or 2.28. That's what it said. On trade on Topstep, it got me for a 248 trade. Well, so I think 248. Yeah, see, I put it right there at the same fucking level because um that's where I got in. Whatever. So yeah, I was seeing. Let's do a replay. Let's see. Let's do a replay. Let's see. At 10:30, 10:23, 10:23. Okay, and the date. Today's date for 8. My bad if I'm breathing. I have sinuses. I think. Okay. Play. Okay. Standard replay. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Let me rewind it a little. 22. All right. So I was seeing this. Yeah, I'm just waiting it for. I was seeing it kind of hold this level, and I saw the price come down. Price coming down, and I thought it was a fake out. So a fake out to the downside. So it kept going. I just had my eye on it. I wasn't really looking at the footprint chart too much. I was looking more at just the price action on the charts. So see, I saw it come up. I saw it come down. It was holding that area right there. That's what I kind of liked. And oh yeah, no, it's still hasn't got me in yet. I did see that area, and I saw sellers were gonna come down, so I was like, okay, cool, it's gonna at least come down to my area. So I just waited. I saw it was kind of getting weak. These sellers were stepping in. I'm looking at the DOM too. I'm trying to learn the DOM. I like how the DOM looks. Watch. See. I was seeing there's buyers here. So I was like, okay, it's gonna come down here. Once it comes down here and eats these buyers, it's gonna just fucking keep shooting up. Because look at the seller line. It's not that tough. So boom, it's still going. It was dancing. Okay, there you go. I just fast forwarded a little bit, but look, we came down. It was weak candles, delta divergent. So I saw that. I was like, all right, bet. Boom, got in. Stop loss here. Same thing. Came up. It scared me right here, and I saw it test. It's a weak candle, strong candle, and it's just getting higher and it's getting higher. Look, and it's still solid. Mm, sellers are stepping in, coming. Let me skip, and then boom, buyers are stepping in, and I got out right there. Yeah. Look, Delta Divergent, kind of, I had my eye on it, but it kept pushing. Boom, got me out there. I was quick. It was good. I locked in, and I was taking a couple trades in the morning, some bullshit ones, and it really had me good. So yeah, man. I really appreciate you watching, and thanks. Let's keep this up. You know, I like this little wave right here. That was pretty cool. But I'm learning. I'm demo trading right now because I'm still practicing and building the confidence up, and it's getting there. It's good. Not getting too excited, but because we do take losses. And these past couple weeks have been a lot of learning, bro. So now it's like a lot of numbing and just following the path of a successful trader. So journal. I'm doing a vlog, just trying my best to really grow and learn from myself and really, really, really focus on the simple stuff. Thanks.